ओके, और भी कुछ हो सकता है? यस, दैट सिंगुलर के साथ आता है। यस, ओके। नंबर 5, फ्यू काउंटेबल के साथ होता है। Jasween, Gaurish, 1, 2 and others, please raise your hand so that I can give you chance.
Yes, ma'am.
Savya 3, Devang 4. Again I'm speaking. Jasween first, Gaurish second, Savya third, Devang 4. Yes, Jasween. Okay, Gaurish, you can start.
Ma'am, first answer is there are two options, that or the.
Okay, correct one. Give me the dress or give me that dress that I gave you yesterday. Both are correct. Okay, Savya.
That pen is not working properly.
Okay, this pen, that pen, my pen, your. Possessive भी आ सकता है और demonstrative भी. Okay. Give me my dress. My ठीक है. Okay, next, Devang.
How many qualifications do you have?
No. How many qualification is a singular term, beta. Okay, Shubh.
Sorry, ma'am. Yes.
Okay, it's okay. Shubh.
Yes, ma'am.
Number 3, beta.
Ma'am, which one?
Number 3. Interrogative determiner. 3 ही होते हैं बस.
Yes, ma'am.
Which qualifications?
Which means, okay, I'll tell you the meaning. The correct answer is what. What is the difference between what and which?
Which has options between and what does not have any?
Which में options होते हैं, what में option नहीं होते. So I'm not giving you options कि BA, MA, B.Ed पढ़िए, आपकी कौन सी उठा लो. No, I'm simply asking you कि what are your qualifications. ठीक है, what qualifications do you have? Okay, next one is Jasween. Jasween. Beta, your voice is not clear. Okay, anyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Jitesh, do you know the answer? Okay, Gaurish, Devang,
Ma'am, last one. Ma'am, last one.
Last 2.
Yes, ma'am. Fourth answer is it like there are two options, some or these. And ma'am, in fourth, little. Ma'am, little. Fourth, little.
Fourth is yes, water है, uncountable है, little. Those ठीक है बेटा. Those, these, correct.
Ma'am, the little.
बेटा, the little is total water. वो तभी आएगा. Okay. The little तब आता है जब
मैम जब सारे होते हैं.
जब has, have, had बीच में यूज हुआ होता है. I poured the little water I had या I have. ठीक है, इनमें से कुछ होगा तभी the little आएगा. Okay. Now next one.
Excuse me, ma'am, I have a doubt.
हाँ जी बेटा.
यस मैम, जो हमारी एग्जाम्स की टाइमिंग्स हैं, जैसे 8-10 से हमारा एग्जाम स्टार्ट होगा, तो मैम हमने लाइक स्कूल के अंदर जो एंट्री होगी मैम, वो लाइक कौन से टाइम पे होगी?
बेटा, उसमें एंट्री नहीं लिखी सर्कुलर में.
मैम 8-10 तक एंट्री होनी चाहिए. 8-10 तक एंट्री और 8:35 और 20 पे है पेपर शुरू होना.
ओके, 8-10 तक एंट्री होनी चाहिए और एग्जाम आई थिंक 8:30 स्टार्ट है. ओके.
ओके मैम.
नहीं बेटा, वो पेपर मिस कर देंगे. अगर डिक्लेरेशन फॉर्म पे आप लिखते हो कि आई हैव फीवर, देन यू विल मिस द एग्जाम. नो ऑनलाइन ऑप्शन इज देयर. Mask, obviously. Without mask, they won't let you sit in the exam. Now see, unfortunately, this is negative sense. I'm giving you hint already. Unfortunately, dash people save water. फोकस, हार्ड वर्क करने की जब ठान लेते हो, फोकस. Dash bikes are not parked properly. He wants to get admission in Dash University, not in a college. Only one is left. I'm writing here. Dash car are you driving? Okay, again I'm going to mute myself. Again, line wise, we'll start line wise.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, you are ma'am, you are muted.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. You are muted.
Ma'am, you are muted.
Ma'am, you are muted yourself.
Yes, ma'am. Muted.
Few people save water. Negative meaning is there. Yes. Much determination is needed to become an IAS officer. Those. He wants to get an admission. Y sound is there, so you can't write an university, a university. ग्रामेटिकली करेक्ट है बट दिस इज एप्रोप्रिएट. अगर आप एग्जाम में लिखते हो तो आपको मार्क्स मिल जाना. यस. हुज कार आर यू ड्राइविंग और विच कार आर यू ड्राइविंग. सेकंड आई पार्ट बेटा you have to listen to the sound only. अगर sound A E I O U की आ रही है तब आपने एन लिखना, नहीं तो नहीं. कहाँ पे बेटा? What car are you driving? क्या कार? No. Which car or whose car? Okay. I'll write 5, then we'll discuss. First one is he hasn't come today. A very weak guess is there. He dash have met with an accident. Okay, next one is I dash not complete my work yesterday. I dash not complete my work yesterday. See the clouds. I'm sure it dash rain. Can, good, may, might, will, shall. See the clouds. I'm sure it dash rain. You dash cover your head in the temple. Okay, 5. First of all, we'll discuss 5. Now, starting from that side. Yes, Vita. Jasmine 1, Jasmine 2. ओके अगर कंपलसरी है, अगर मॉरल ड्यूटी होती फिर क्या आना था? सोचो इसके बारे में. ओके जैस्मीन फर्स्ट, दिवांग 2, गौरिश. ओके एनीवन कैन स्पीक, बेटा डोंट वेस्ट टाइम, जल्दी से बोल दो कोई भी.
Yes, ma'am. First answer is might. Second answer is could. And ma'am, third answer is may.
First is the weak guess, second is I could not, past one,
Yes.
third one
Ma'am, it may or will.
will is correct, may is not correct because you are sure. This is a sure action, you will use will. Okay, number 4,
Ma'am. Ma'am, must. Must. Ma'am, must.
must or should. Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, ought to.
Ma'am, ought to. Ma'am, ought to.
ought to is the synonym of should. ought to is the synonym of should. अगर आपको एग्जाम में 2 word लिखा आया, you will write ought, otherwise should is the correct answer. should ठीक है पर 2 लिखा हुआ.
Two is not written. Ma'am, two is not written. Ma'am, we can also write ought to or should both, na?
Yes, you can write both better if 2 is not there. Have to आ सकता है, अगर you have made one rule that you have to, you must respect others, then have to आ सकता है. But otherwise moral duty पे ought to या should ही आएगा. ठीक है? Okay, next one. In exam, please take care of these kind of things. अगर 2 लिखा है तो ought to लिखना. Yes, बेटा. अपना एक्सपीरियंस तो नहीं बता रहे आप? अपना एक्सपीरियंस तो नहीं बता रहे? बहुत ज्यादा बोल पा रही. ओके नेक्स्ट प्लीज. भागव लिखने हैं बेटा ये. Please let me write better, then you can speak. Model can come in negative form also, not भी आ सकता साथ में. You are giving me order or you are requesting me? Order दे रहे हो या request कर रहे हो? एक please word होता है request करने के लिए. अगर बोल दोगे तो I will start from there. ओके अगर आप में एबिलिटी नहीं है कि आप मेरे साथ आर्ग्यू करो तो ओके और क्या आ सकता है यस एग्जैक्टली यस जसवीन इफ यू कैन हेयर मी प्लीज स्पीक अप एनीवन जल्दी बोल यस जसवीन नो यू आर नॉट ऑडिबल टुडे ओके चहक
Yes, ma'am. You need not buy this. I will give you my book.
Jasmine, if you can hear me, unmute. Or Jasmine also. Number 7.
I am on, ma'am.
You are
You
audible.
need no. You need.
I need not.
7th, जल्दी से बेटा.
She used to sit with me when we were in school.
Past habit means used to. Yes, Shobh.
But can
Yes, ma'am. He tried his best but could not pass the exam.
Okay. You can unmute. Next one.
Yes, ma'am.
Anyone? 9th one.
you would not
Ma'am, you wouldn't. Ma'am, you shouldn't. You should not argue with
Not
me.
argue with me. This is your moral duty. Okay. Should
ma'am
be
would
accepted.
not cannot.
Most appropriate is dare not.
Okay, ma'am.
And last
You
one.
Ma'am,
should-
you should speak truth no matter how difficult it is.
Ought to.
Ma'am, in 9th one, can we write need not? You need not argue with me.
Okay, हो सकता है बेटा. But the most appropriate is I think you are giving warning to someone that you dare not argue with me. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
When you want to give warning, then you can use this word dare not. Okay. Now I'll give you one sentence of narration and one sentence of voice. Yeah, maximum 2. Okay, only 2 sentences. Tomorrow also I'll give you 2 sentences of both. हाँ पहले वॉइस बता, धन्यवाद। रूल्स कहाँ गए सारे? I'm going to mute myself for a minute.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, funny jokes is being cracked by her. Ma'am, you are muted.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. The poor people
Ma'am, poor
will be
people will be helped by him.
him.